On this video, I am going to discuss a very important and a must-know NEET strategy. So watch the video in full length. This will definitely help you in your NEET exam. Everybody of you know that in India, to get a medical admission, we need a NEET score of about 600 marks, right? And if you are getting a 500 marks in the NEET exam, your admission in a medical college will be in doubt. So to be getting in a safer zone, I'll be telling you should get a mark around 600 or definitely above 550 marks you need. To get a mark above 550, what are things you have to care in the NEET exam? That is what we are going to discuss here. Welcome to Dr. Ashish Conceptuals. Let's roll our title. So you know that the 550 is a minimum safe mark we require there. So how will you score this 550 mark in the NEET exam, or how many questions you want to attend? Just do this simple mathematics, okay? So we need 550 marks there in total. So for that purpose, you know every question will be giving 4 marks. So that will be giving, we need at least 138 right answers in the NEET exam. So if you want 138 right answers, how many questions you want to attend in the NEET exam? Let's see that thing. We'll be making some mistakes also. I'm gonna account that mistakes also in this calculation, so that I'm telling like you have to attend almost 160 to 170 questions in the NEET exam. From this thing you can score almost 145 or 150 questions right, and by making some minus marks also you will be getting almost marks like 550 marks will be getting. And in this point I want to ask you a simple question that at the end of the NEET exam, suppose you are going to write the NEET exam, and at the end of the NEET exam, you know the answer of only 90 question or 100 question. And after that thing, you don't know any answers, and that means almost you are gonna skip 80 questions there. You are gonna skip 80 questions. What will you do at that time? Will you skip all the 80 questions and come out of the examination hall by answering that 100 questions there? Just see the danger here. Actually, this is a very important point you have to understand. Just imagine if you are getting all the 100 questions as right answers, you are gonna get only 400 marks. And is this a sufficient mark to get a medical admission in India? Not at all. You need at least how much mark? You need at least 550 marks there. For that purpose, what will you do? I'm telling like you have to go for this 80 unknown question, and I'm telling like don't go for wild guess. You have to go for what? I'm telling you have to go for calculated guess. You have to do the work, that is the calculated guess work you have to do, and you have to answer at least 60 questions from this unknown 8 question, so that your total attempts will become 100 known question plus 60 to 70 guessed questions, so the total attempt will become 160 to 170 questions. So from this thing I am hoping that you will be getting almost 140 questions as right answer, and then only you will be getting 550. Why I am telling this as a very important thing? You have to understand that thing. In our previous years, so many students of mine has came to me and told that, sir, I have answered 90 questions very well and I came out of the examination hall. You think about the foolishness they are doing. You have to understand, if they are doing only 90 questions in the NEET exam, you have to know that they are scoring only for 360 marks in the NEET, and their total mark will never go up the 360, and they will never get a medical seat in India. So point is very clear. To get a medical seat in India, you have to attempt 160 to 170 questions from the NEET, and definitely no one will know the answer for all the 170 questions. You will be knowing the answer for only 100 questions, and what you have to do the rest, you have to go for, I told you the word, that is the calculated guess. You have to go for the calculated guess for extra 60-70 questions, and you will be getting the benefit of it in the result, and your total score will be near or around 550, and that will be a safer zone for everybody in India writing the NEET exam. I hope you understand the value of my words here. You have to write 160 to 170 questions in the NEET exam. That is a definite thing to get a medical admission in India. And there are a lot of other strategies are also there. For getting that strategies, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button there, and we'll be posting more strategies. And if you want any more strategies about any other thing, just ask me in the comment box. I will be replying you also. Okay, bye. We'll meet with another video.